Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai pepper garlic pork. It's very common food in Thailand. Actually in the cook to order restaurant is one of the Thai dish that everyone love it. You can cook the Thai pepper garlic recipe with any meat, but the popular one is the pork, chicken, beef, squid and shrimp. Recipe is so simple and easy. The ingredients in the recipe are common ingredients in Thai kitchen. There are two ways to cook the Thai pepper garlic, which are stir fry or fry. But for my version is I choose to do it stir fry because it requires less oil than the fry version and also have some sauce can eat together with the rice. There are all ingredients. I will put in the description box below to show you all ingredients that we will use today. First, we need to marinate the pork first. Why put all the sauce into the pork? First, we slice to the pork to be the little pieces as we like, and then put some garlic. 1 teaspoon of the pepper and 1 teaspoon of the sugar, and then add the 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of the oyster sauce. And then mix everything well with the pork. It's faster to massage everything by your hand, but if you prefer the spoon, you can use this. And then let's sit for 30 minutes minimum. This recipe is so easy. You just put everything together and marinate, and then just stir fry together. So put the 2 tablespoons of the vegetable oil and turn heat on to high. Then right away add the our pork that we marinate. Put on the pan. And continue to stir fry until everything is cooked. And then when you see it's dry, you can add more the water, 2 or 3 tablespoons to make it more moisture, and also you can feel like have the sauce around the pork. And after the pork is cooked, and then finally we add the dark soy sauce in the final. This one will make our pork will have more nice color. It's ready to serve. You can sprinkle fried garlic over pork and also top with the cilantro leaf. Serve with the jasmine rice or sticky rice is so good. I hope you give this try for this recipe and I believe that you will like it. So if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.